Hey you guys, all right, I'm excited to get you set up with your Beachbody Nutrition Plus app. So this is just for iPhone users right now, but don't worry, if you're an Android user, you can still access the same stuff at tobemindset.com. You'll have all the videos and the training materials that we're going to be using. So some prefer to take the information on their phone, which you could just do it on your browser on Android, or you can do it on your laptop. But if you're an iPhone user, you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to search Beachbody Nutrition Plus. It's a yellow symbol and you're going to click Get. And then when it downloads, I always recommend creating a little folder. So I have my very own folder, which makes sense for Beachbody because I have my Beachbody On Demand and then my tracker app where I log all my workouts. And then right there is the Cute Nutrition app. So for this purpose only, we're focusing on the nutrition app because that's where we're pouring our time in together. So grab the nutrition app, and I just want to give you a couple fun things that you're going to be able to find on it. When you log in for the first time, it's going to basically say, tap here to get started. Can't give you any clearer details on how to get it set up more easily than that. So literally tap there to get started, okay? And it's going to suggest that you pick a program. Let me go back. It's going to say pick a program, and then you'll click right there, To Be Mindset, and then it's going to have you fill in some information, your name, your current weight, the reason for signing up, so that recommitment to the contract that we're signing, right? And what your focus is. What is your goal weight? So once you fill all that out, it'll prompt you to click Get Started and then go through the next. When you're all set up, on the bottom is the Videos tab. So you're going to have access to all of the trainings right here for your To Be Mindset, which is the foundation of the course we're going through together, is what we are teaching this whole process together, and that we're committed for the 3 months together. I'm going to teach you all the framework behind this, okay? But this is where you can take it. If you're a visual person or you like to listen while you're driving, click on the video section, and they're really, really short. And you guys, she knows her stuff. She is a registered dietitian. I told a lot of you guys she is a professor at UCLA, so she kind of knows her shit. But more importantly, she's been through the process herself, losing the 100 pounds. So she's going to give you a little bit of background of her story so you can kind of understand who she is. I love that she's got the history and the actual experience through this process because it's just going to help me be able to continue to build on that for you as we address your individual personal needs. Okay, so that is what you need to know. Basically, you can scroll through and see all the videos, but here's what I'm going to tell you. My number one tip, okay, don't binge on them. Don't just go through and spend all evening and just binge on them like you would a Netflix show. I want you to take your time and really embrace the information that you're hearing. It is like, the first one is like, what she says, 8 minutes. And then the next one is 4 minutes. And then one is 2 minutes. Like, don't just watch them all in one sitting. Give yourself some time. Take 10 minutes a day and watch the videos. You can also download the material. If you like to print things out, you're going to get a really cute book that's coming your way from Beachbody with your tracking information or your tracker booklet and your go-to guide that you're going to take with you when you go places and until you really make this a habitual thing. I'm also going to be sending you a gratitude journal in the mail because I want that to be a part of this whole process together. You guys, I'm so freaking excited to do this with you guys. Thank you for trusting me and wanting to do this alongside of me because this has been something that I have folded into my life for quite some time now, even though I have, I'm adding the certification to my whole repertoire, but I've been studying this for like 5 years. So I'm not new to this whole concept, but I'm excited to help you guys really understand, fine tune it for your personal needs, and then really help you guys feel successful as we go throughout life and life circumstances and things that come up that we don't expect. But knowing you've got this tool in your back pocket or in your purse, you'll be successful. And we have this community. So make sure you tap in here and you really, really, really leverage as much as you can from all of us here. All right. I'm here for you guys. I can't wait to get started. Bye.